and hide the next sphere and create a new V-ray material for it. Name it paper MTL. I just realized I forgot to name the spheres. So head over to the outliner and rename your spheres if you were following me blindly and made the same mistakes I made you did. When you are done, click on the paper sphere and let's start creating a paper material. Change the diffuse color to light gray this time. Increase the reflection color to about half. Do the same with the reflection glossiness so we get matte reflections. Make the refraction color gray and reduce the refraction glossiness to about half. Okay, so now we've created a paper material, but we can't really tell it's paper. So we are going to have to put a light inside of it so we'll be able to better visualize its translucency. Head over to the V-ray shelf and create a sphere light. Drag the sphere light into the sphere. It's unfortunate. Enable wireframe mode if you want to see what's happening inside the sphere. I'm just going to scale it down a bit, and yeah, I think I like how that looks. Next, change the light color to orange because I've always thought warm lighting looked kind of cool since we don't really have that here anymore. Now we can see the lights through the paper material. This is the kind of material you use when you want that Japanese lantern look. Let's switch to bucket rendering and change our color mapping type to HSV exponential. I explained these settings in my V-ray settings video, so you can check that out. And now the light looks believable. You can play around with your paper material values and get different effects, but I think I'm gonna leave it at these values.